Hey, what's up? So, I was going over my language program tonight, and we had to sort out this conversation, and this is the interpretation, which tertek podpišem pogodbo. So that basically means that I signed my contract on Thursday, or on Thursday I signed my contract. That's for working at a tourist agency. Okay? When was the last time you had a friend or anybody you knew that got an employment contract working at a tourist agency? There's one more example I want to show you. Okay, here's the second one. So this is a guy that's meeting up with another person. He just ran into him, and he asks him how he's been and where he's been working. So essentially, he's been working. Let me see if I have that one. He's working at a pizzeria, and he says, "What are you doing?" He says, "Currently, I work as a waiter." Ataka-san. And the guy says, "I imash pogodbo," meaning, "Do you have a contract?" As you can see the translation there. So when was the last time you saw anybody working at Domino's with a work contract or any other place? I'm not even sure I've ever heard of that in America. So, what's going on here? This is what's going on here. You can read about all about this. So, this is in America. Most of America has no requirement for an explicit contract of employment. However, in the European Union, the employment contract derived from common law is the basis of all employer-employee relations and can dictate whether you get wrongfully terminated or not if the employer violates those stipulations in the contract. American federal law says employers don't even have to notify an employee before termination, right? Let's go to working hours and check out what's going on there, right? No limitations on working hours in America, yet in Germany, weekly working hours are capped at 35. The United States held the longest annual average working hours at 1,880 hours, ahead of Ireland at 1,802. How about that, huh? Think there's a reason for Brexit? Check that out. Just the facts.